The great philosopher and mathematician of France, René Descartes, published a book, La Géométrie, in 1637. Descartes gave a new idea that each point in a plane is expressed by an ordered pair of algebraic real numbers like point x, y, and point r, 0, called coordinates of the point. The point x, y is called Cartesian coordinates, and r, 0, is called polar coordinates of the point. They represent different forms of equations which are developed for all types of straight lines and curves. Thus, coordinate geometry, or analytical geometry, is that branch of mathematics in which geometrical problems are solved with the help of algebra. Here are some basic things you need to know about coordinate geometry. A coordinate plane. A coordinate plane is a two-dimensional plane formed by two perpendicular number lines, the x-axis, horizontal, and the y-axis, vertical. The origin. The origin is the point where the x-axis and y-axis intersect, denoted as 0, 0. Coordinates. Coordinate points are represented as ordered pairs x, y, where x is the horizontal distance and y is the vertical distance from the origin. Quadrants. The plane is divided into 4 quadrants. In quadrant 1, both x and y are positive. In quadrant 2, x is negative while y is positive. In quadrant 3, both x and y are negative. In quadrant 4, x is positive while y is negative. Distance formula. The distance formula is used to find the distance between 2 points. Example: ax1, y1, and bx2, y2. The distance is gotten by taking the square root of the sum of the squares of the differences between x2, x1, and y2, y1 respectively. Now let's take a quick example with actual numbers. Find the difference between the points a1, 2 and b4, 6. Going by the formula, x1 equals 1, x2 equals 4, y1 equals 2, and y2 equals 6. Plugging these values in the formula gives us 5 units as our final answer. Trust you enjoyed this video. Do well to drop a like, ask your questions in the comments, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. See you in the next video.